ECOVACS square-shaped DEEBOT flagship X2 Omni. Sharper than all-round, cleaner than ever. With pioneering dual laser LiDAR, X2 reaches 24 times detecting probability, accurately mapping out your home environment. The 95mm slim design covers more underneath area. With square-shaped design, X2 performs more than 99% cleaning coverage. The 20cm rolling brush delivers an edge-to-edge cleaning. Brand new INA model with reinforcement learning enables X2 handle complex scenarios by strategical recognition and obstacles avoidance. With just one click, you can enjoy the customized AI cleaning solution. Dynamic obstacle avoidance provides real-time avoidance action.
Okay, Eco, I am here.
Eco is upgraded with Home Knowledge Graph for more accurate instructions. The 15mm auto lift mopping and 8,000 PA suction power. Designed for both carpet and hard floor cleaning. Through upgraded 3D mapping, X2 can now identify and clean specific areas. Osmo Turbo 2.0 can easily tackle any stubborn stains. The smaller Omni station offers auto empty, hot water mop wash, auto drying, and self-maintenance solution. DEEBOT X2 Omni. Sharper than all round, cleaner than ever.